So serious ng Ate Samsam, oh. What's that, Sam? Math?
Yeah. You feel
Okay, pen. Our turn. Ay, nako. Okay na. Sige na. Next. 85 plus 11. 5 plus
Mama, do
1.
you have headphones? Why?
I don't have headphones.
What happened
5
to
plus
one
1.
things
5.
that you used to use? That one skinny one? The skinny ones?
Baka napa dito nabilin. 5.
5.
Oh, anong next ng 5?
Bambi.
5 in Penny's head. 5 in Penny's head. 5 plus 1. This one. 5. What's this? 6. Oh, yan. Go. 8 plus 1. 8 in Penny's head.
Oh
8.
no, why is it itchy there?
Ayun, oh, may... Ayun.
Nanti.
Okay na.
Siti.
Wala pa yun na charge. Okay. Next. Penny. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1. Oh, here. 8 plus 1. 8. 8 in Penny's head. And then,
Mama, how do you charge?
may ano dyan sa side, may parang port. 8 plus 1. 8. Ano next ng 8?
Mama, is this
Okay,
apple? What
here.
is this? C2? C?
Type C. Like Tita Jan's.
What's that?
96. Correct. Here. 12 plus 23. 3 plus 2. 3 in Penny's head. 3 plus 2. Okay. 3.
Plus 2.
Oh, 3.
Plus 2.
Yes, 3 plus 2. 3 in Penny's head. 3. 4. Count. Again.
4. 5.
Okay. Answer. Sige. 2 plus 1. What's your answer?
3.
Okay. Okay. You did it. You need color na lang pen. Ate Sam? Sam? Padala ko ano, Sambi? Color green, red, yellow, blue, orange. Please. Please.
Where is the seed? Just tell me where.
Nakakita dyan. Sa room, lagi ni Tata dyan. Ka nang gina-charge ako on. Cellphone mo na wala nag-charge. Okay, next page. Okay, here, Penny. Yan na, find the sum. Here. Okay, here na. Finish na tayo dyan. Color na lang. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Answer. 2 and 3, Penny. 3 in Penny's head. 3. Oh, pila. Oh, 3 plus 2. 3.
4. 5.
Okay, got it. Here.
5. 5. 5.
Here. Next. 3 plus 6.
No, or the birthday.
Okay. Oh, 3 plus 6. Pila. Big number ang 6. Oh, 6
6.
plus 3. Okay. 6. 3 minus 6.
1. 1.
6.
7. 8. 9.
Okay. Oh, this one.
5 and 4.
Oh, pila man. 5 in Penny's head, and then 4. Oh, 4. 5. 5, and then 4. Sige na, oh. 5 plus 4, pila? Look. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, that's 4. So, 5 in Penny's head. 5.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Huh?
9, 9, 9, 9, 9.
How do you charge these? Do you need
Type C din ata yan siya. Patanaw, Gabi.
There's
But-
type C. I cannot find the type C.
Mama, what's this?
Type C yan kay Tita. Ano man yan, pen?
What's the next one?
Mama, 1, 10, hundreds.
There.
Hundreds.
Type A.
Type A?
Hundred.
Oo.
Wait, where's the type A?
Yung sa ano,
Hmm?
madami doon. Yan na na, uy, ugma na na. Next. Dara pen. 7 and 1. Oh, 7 plus 1. Ano next ng 7? Ano next ng 7?
Wait. Wait. Kind roll is like this.
7 plus 1. 7 in Penny's head. 1. Ano next? Ano yan? 7. Okay. 8.
Eight.
Here. Okay, next. Tens.
Once.
Okay, ones. Yes, this one. Tens. 4 plus 2. 4
Four.
in Penny's head. 4. 4. 2. 4.
4 plus 2.
4.
5.
5.
6.
Okay. Here. Okay. 5 plus 3.
Mama.
Oh, 5 in Penny's.
10.
No.
Then hundreds.
Oh, that's hundreds. Good. 5.
This one's done at
I have to
tens.
remove the cover of the phone.
And then mag-charge na siya.
Yeah.
Okay. Charge siya properly.
Yes, I guess.
Sige na. 5. Oh, 5 in Penny's head. Plus 3. Go na.
Hey,
Six,
Mama, can I
seven,
have my Swiss
eight.
miss?
Okay.
Can I have my Swiss miss?
Asan na? Ah, this one.
Because that's not Penny. That's not. Oh,
Penny.
this is Penny's.
Ano na? Pangalan?
No.
Pick up.
Pick one of it.
Squishy.
What happened?
Squishy.
Did you eat the feet pen?
Yeah, and then it's dry now.
Ew!
So this is mine.
Ah,
You eat
drink
it.
up.
I want it.
Oh, Drico. Kape. Mama, kape.
Gani. Sige na ate. Oh, sige na. Answer. 5 plus 4. 5. 5 in Penny's head. 5. And then 4. 5 and 4. Look, oh, 5, 4. 5.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Answer na saan? Oh, 5 and 3, Penny. 5 in Penny's head. 3.
Mama.
Oh.
5, 5, 3, 3.
Ah, okay. Correct. Same. Wait, count natin. 5 and 3. 5 in Penny's head.
6, 7, 8.
Okay.
Mama, another one.
Oh, 8 plus 1. 8.
Plus
1 lang. 8. Oh.
8, 8, 8,
Ano next ng 8?
8,
8 plus 1. 8 plus 1. 8.
8, 9.
Okay. Okay, this one. 6 plus 2. 6. 2. 2. Just 2. 6 in Penny's head. And then 2 lang here. Okay? Because it's 2. 6 plus 2. 6.
Plus
6. 7.
7, 8.
Okay. Tawag to kaya anyway.
What's this? 9 and 0.
9 and 0.
Mama, you see Dancing Penny?
Penny's not dancing.
Mama, that's the video about Dancing Penny.
Oh, let's watch mamaya Dancing
Mama, can you do
Penny.
live?
Hmm?
Can you do live?
Mama, baby teacher Iris inside.
Yes, Teacher Iris has a baby inside her tummy pen.
Really?